All right, welcome back to the deep dive.
Good to be here.
Today we're plunging into the very colorful, sometimes confusing world of mobile gaming. We're looking at one app in particular. It's called Mayan Gold Rush.
Right, and it's one of these spin and earn games that you see advertised everywhere. The ones that promise real cash.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Real cash just for playing.
So our mission today is to really unpack the testing that's been done on this game. We want to find out, is this a real way to make some extra income, or is it, just a game?
We need to separate what feels real inside the app from the actual financial reality.
That's the key.
So let's start with the setup, because the sources describe it as being pretty appealing.
Oh, very. It's simple. It's got this fun Mayan theme. You're spinning reels, matching symbols.
Right.
It's visually engaging.
And here's the hook, right? The app is constantly showing you this balance that's just climbing up and up.
Yes, and that constant visual feedback. It makes it feel like you're earning real, spendable money.
It feels completely legitimate.
And that's where the psychology of it all gets so interesting. It's basically using the same mechanics as a slot machine to keep you hooked.
That feeling of just one more spin.
Precisely. You've already invested time, you see the number going up, so you think the big payout must be just around the corner. It's a very powerful loop.
Okay, so you're in the loop. The virtual balance looks great. But here's where it gets really interesting. What happens when you actually try to withdraw that money?
Well, this is where the whole thing kind of falls apart.
Oh.
The core finding from all the testing is pretty stark. There's just no reliable evidence that these in-game coins can be turned into meaningful, actual cash in your bank account.
So the money isn't real.
It seems to be purely virtual. And this is where we start seeing the red flags pop up.
What's the first one?
The withdrawal requirements. They are reportedly set incredibly high. So high that they seem almost unreachable for a casual player.
Okay, so you'd have to play for hundreds of hours to even get close.
Potentially. But then there's the second red flag, which is even more telling.
Which is?
The progress bar. To cash out, you have to fill a progress bar, but users report that it just seems to stall.
Stalls how? Like, it just stops moving.
Exactly. It gets to maybe 99% and then nothing. It just hangs there basically forever.
Wow. A progress bar that never finishes. That's incredibly misleading.
It is. So if the game isn't designed to pay you, you have to ask, what is its real purpose?
And I think I know the answer. It's the ads, isn't it?
That's the final and biggest red flag. The constant pushing of ads. The game is really an ad delivery system disguised as a way to earn money.
So your attention is the product.
That's the real gold they're mining.
So let's bring this back to the learner. What does this all mean for you if you see this app and are tempted to download it?
The guidance is pretty straightforward. If you enjoy the gameplay, by all means, play it for fun.
Just for fun.
Yes. But you have to treat any cash you earn in that app as if it's Monopoly money. It's just part of the game.
If your goal is to actually make an income, you need to look elsewhere.
This is definitely not the shortcut you're looking for.
That's just entertainment.
And I think this raises a really important, much broader question for any of these earn-while-you-play apps.
Go on.
When you decide to engage with one, you have to ask yourself, how much is my time and my attention actually worth? Especially if the reward they're promising, well, if it isn't even real.
A powerful question, and a great lens to view all your digital interactions through. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive.
My pleasure.
And we encourage you to apply that same critical thinking to every source of information you come across.